What's the meaning of cooperative? Cooperative. Cooperative.
Cooperative. Cooperative. The term cooperative refers to a type of organization or enterprise that is owned and managed by its members, who work together to achieve common goals and share in the profits or benefits of the operation. In a cooperative, members exercise democratic control over the business, with decisions made on a one-member, one-vote basis. The primary aim of cooperatives is to provide goods or services to their members at cost, thereby giving them economic advantages through collective action. Through cooperation, members can achieve mutual benefits that may not be possible if they were acting alone.